Good evening. You're coming from First Glance Weather. This is your daily forecast, and this is your forecast for the rest of this evening as we take a look at the radar, and then your Wednesday forecast for the local and for the state. As you can see, just a few scattered showers that were developing in South Florida. I mean far South Florida, around Marco Island, as you can see. Do that little frame one more time. See it right there. Okay, this is our Wednesday forecast for Pinellas County. And this is for the daytime forecast. You're looking at a high of 90 degrees. With a very slim chance of rain, I have bumped it about down to maybe a 10%, 15%, 20% will be pushing it. So I'm still going to leave that in there, but more likely 10% of rain, and it's going to be mostly south of us. Our winds are going to be from the southwest at 14 miles an hour throughout the day, and then switching back in the afternoon as the sea breeze comes in to the northwest, about 10 to 14 miles an hour as well. So this is tomorrow during the daytime. Tomorrow night, you're looking at partly cloudy skies to clear skies toward the evening, and I'm still going to leave in a 10% chance of rain for tomorrow. Your winds are from the north at 6 miles an hour, and overnight low tomorrow between 73 and 77 in Pinellas County, depending on where you're at. If you're closer to the coast, a little bit cooler. If you're away from the coast, a little bit warmer. So this is tomorrow night going into Thursday morning. This is our west central forecast temperature highs, and you're, like I said, you're looking mostly in the 90s, a few upper 80s, but mostly in the 90s, and this is for west central Florida for tomorrow. This is our radar for tomorrow, or this is our radar for this evening. And as you can see, just they have this area, a little bit of convection out in the Gulf, and a little bit of light showers would affect the northeast part of and down into the central part of Florida and the northeast around Jacksonville. This is the afternoon radar with the thunderstorms as well with the radar. And like I said, the primary of any thunderstorm activity for the next 2-3 days will be, or for the next 2-3 days will be in southern Florida with a little bit more moisture in this area. And this would be moving southeast from the northwest. And like I said, here's the Tampa Bay area, here's Sarasota, Venice, Fort Myers, and over by the lake, Okeechobee. So tomorrow it's definitely going to be scattered, and this is provided by the HRRR model for tomorrow afternoon. And the rain is south of Tampa Bay area. Here's the Tampa Bay. And like I said, we may get a slim 10% chance, maybe 20, but I don't see 20. I see more of a 10% of a stray shower tomorrow. And as you can see, like I said, this is the area south of Tampa Bay right here. The area is going to be more down Fort Myers, Miami, Cape Coral, in that area, and then a little bit over here in just off the coast of Panama City and Pensacola for through Wednesday night. This is the rain accumulation. So we're not going to get any rain here, and we're going to not get any there. It's not even showing up on there, as that little weather system was moving from the northwest down to the southeast. It's not showing up in there. The next closest is in Alabama. Closest is in Alabama and probably Mississippi. That is through Wednesday night. Now this is our state forecast, and as you can see, we see that scattered rain, and it's mostly, and if it happens, it's going to be mostly in this general area. So that would be Cape Coral and Miami. The temperatures for tomorrow, we're looking at Tallahassee at 90, Gainesville at 91, Jacksonville at 93, Tampa at 90, Orlando at 90, Cape Coral 91, Port St. Lucie at 92, and West Palm at 89 and 89 in Miami. As you can see in the satellite, sunny and some clouds, especially central, so that'd be around Orlando area. And the winds are generally from the south and southwest, about between 10 and 13 miles an hour. On an average, it looks like 11 miles an hour for tomorrow from the southwest, and then in the afternoon it's going to switch back as the sea breeze comes in to the northwest with the same mile, probably about 10 to 13 miles an hour. That is for tomorrow, for Wednesday. So this is our Wednesday state forecast. This is our first glance weather. This is our Tuesday first glance weather recap. I'm Jeffrey A. Gentry, your first class weather lead forecaster. And thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel. We're going to go over the stats here in just a second. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And if there's any comments, please make comments in the comment sections. Anything you would like us to talk about. And when I restart my weather questions Wednesdays, please make that in the comment of what question of the weather you would like to be talk about, and we'll start that segment up very soon again. Once again, I thank you for watching our YouTube channel. And today at the First Class and Weather Center, these are our daily stats, highs, lows, humidity, dew point, and our winds on an average for today, Tuesday, September the 5th, 2023. At the First Glance Weather Center, we had a high of 97 degrees. We had a low of 75 this morning going into today. Our humidity has been averaged about 71%, and our dew point is at 70. So that means it's starting to increase a little bit. So we're going to start feeling that little bit of humidity. So the heat index is going to be starting creeping back up there again. We did have no rain today. Like I said, our winds were from the southwest at 5 to 9 this morning, switching to the afternoon, and the sea breeze came in back to the northwest at 5 to 9 as well. And as of almost 10 p.m. this evening, right now we're sitting at 81 degrees, and our dew point is 72. Our dew point is still 70. Our barometer is 29 and 94, and it is steady. Like I said, there was no rain, and our winds are still calm as we speak. Once again, thank you. Have a great evening, and we will see you tomorrow for that was Wednesday, so we'll see you tomorrow night for Thursday's forecast. Have a great evening.